Welcome to Washington America Show. Today's topic is going to improve your life.
Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail.
The major difference between Shopify and Amazon is that Shopify is a specialized e-commerce platform and Amazon is an online marketplace. Shopify gives you the tools to build your very own online store, while Amazon lets you sell through its marketplace alongside other online sellers. Shopify is a subscription to a software service that offers you to create a website and use their shopping cart solution to sell, ship, and manage your products.
Using their service, you can get access to easy-to-use admin panel where you can add products, process orders, and enter store data. When it comes to Amazon, you might think that you have a few additional benefits. Just the idea of working through Amazon seems easier, but is it really going to be the best way? Shopify and Amazon are giants in the e-commerce world, but which one is better for your business? Read on to make the right choice.
Both Shopify and Amazon are strong e-commerce platforms. Amazon is better for exposure and a built-in marketplace. Shopify offers more control over your store and sales. You don't necessarily have to choose one or the other, you can integrate both. Shopify and Amazon offer excellent e-commerce solutions. Amazon's figures are less precise, but it's commonly believed that more than 2 million sellers have products listed on that e-commerce platform. While both platforms offer potentially large exposure, the benefits and challenges of selling through them are unique.
Businesses must choose the platform that works best for their needs, products, and selling methods. Shopify is a commerce platform. It lets you create an online store and manage all e-commerce functions, including inventory, payment acceptance, and shipping, in the same place. It's also a hosted platform, which means it's cloud-based. You don't have to purchase software and pay to upgrade it. Your Shopify membership ensures you have access to the latest updates.
Shopify offers an easy setup and friendly administrator interface, making it one of the most popular e-commerce platforms on the market. This program also provides several templates. You can create your storefront in any language. Additionally, the platform lets you choose which payment gateway to use. It also accepts funds in several currencies. Another popular function of Shopify is its e-commerce university, which provides access to numerous articles, how-to guides, and other training resources.
Shopify also has a 24/7 in-house support team. Keeping your customers happy is one of the most important things you can do when operating an e-commerce business. Shopify helps you provide the best tools to your customers so that they purchase through your store. Some of these features include the ability for your customers to zoom in to get a better look at your products and the ability to show other customer reviews. You can choose to work with third-party fulfillment services, or drop shippers.
You can also opt to fulfill all of your own orders. Shopify is extremely flexible. If their plans don't cover your needs, you might also consider Shopify Plus, which is a custom-designed solution for enterprise organizations. Another option is Shopify Lite, which lets you sell items on Facebook or a blog but doesn't include a Shopify store.
Amazon.com is an e-commerce behemoth. More than half of all the units sold on the platform are sold by third-party sellers. You can sell on Amazon as an individual or a professional, and the platform offers several options for shipping. What are some benefits of Amazon? Probably the biggest benefit of having your products on Amazon is that it makes it easy for customers to find you. Traffic and repeat business, with less marketing effort, is the benefit. Amazon already owns the brand power, and you get a boost just from being listed on the site.
That doesn't mean you can sit back and relax completely, but you don't have to put in the SEO work to make your own site rank. People won't worry if you're secure and trustworthy for payments and shipments. Amazon builds in protection for shoppers, so they're more likely to take a chance on you. Access to Amazon resources, including shipping and fulfillment options, shipping discounts, the third-party seller community, and Amazon customer service are benefits.
Choosing between Shopify and Amazon, both platforms have their pros and cons. Shopify requires you to brand and market your store, while Amazon comes with a built-in audience. But Amazon limits how much you can truly control your sales. For example, third-party sellers can't list every type of item. Ultimately, you have to determine which platform best supports your business. Or you can choose to integrate both Amazon and Shopify, to get the best of both platforms, but you'll have to pay for both.
As a digital business owner, one of your most important decisions is deciding which e-commerce platforms you should use to sell your goods online. And, as two of the biggest names in e-commerce, it's likely that you'll end up deciding between Shopify versus Amazon. Shopify is a top-to-bottom e-commerce store platform on which users can build, customize, and fully manage their unique, standalone online stores. On the other hand, Amazon is a marketplace that aggregates sellers from around the globe, so you'll be given a platform within the Amazon marketplace on which you can sell your goods, but you won't have nearly as much control over its branding, management, customer relationships, and fulfillment process as you would with Shopify.
Shopify is a powerful cloud-based e-commerce store platform that enables online retailers to easily build and manage standalone digital stores. Users can choose from dozens of professionally designed templates that they can customize however they see fit, and they'll accept payments online through Shopify Payments, the platform's built-in payment processor that's powered by Stripe. Then, you can take advantage of Shopify's huge amount of stores and customer management features, like social media integration, discounts, and gift cards, secure customer information storage, connection with fulfillment centers, including Amazon, and much more.
And if Shopify doesn't provide the solution you're looking for, you can likely find it on the Shopify App Store, which aggregates thousands of apps that are compatible with your Shopify store and which can help you further streamline your processes. Ideally, an effective e-commerce campaign should have an official website, hosted with a service like Shopify or WordPress, and a strong presence on platforms like Amazon.
Combining these tactics will allow you to reach out to a wider audience and rank across the more high-volume, relevant searches, leading to increased conversions. Having a primary e-commerce website allows you to rank for organic search results and utilize on-site tools and customization that can't be found on platforms like Amazon. The main advantage of Amazon is the ability to reach out to a massive audience. Amazon accounts for the majority of e-commerce sales, and can be a viable gateway to future sales on your main site.
Amazon and Shopify are two different platforms that serve different purposes. Selling on Amazon is appealing because your products can get immediate exposure to Amazon's massive existing customer base. Many buyers go directly to Amazon when they want to buy something due to Amazon's established reputation. Selling with a Shopify-powered website is not going to give your product instant exposure. Regardless of whether you use Shopify or any other e-commerce platform to power your own site, you'll have to work to get traffic to the site and to establish your brand's reputation.
Selling on Amazon is a great option because you can start to make money quickly, but you'll have to pay fees to Amazon, and you'll also be subject to all of the rules and policies that go along with selling on Amazon, and they can change quickly. Having your own e-commerce site gives you much more control and you won't have to share the revenue with Amazon, but it's more of a long-term project that will take time and effort.
Shopify versus Amazon. Weighing the pros and cons. You'll still need to weigh the pros and cons of Shopify versus Amazon to decide whether establishing a digital presence on either or both of these platforms is truly doable for your business. Most important is channel ownership. With Amazon, you don't own the platform you're selling on. The trade-off is access to the Amazon brand and the recognition the platform has internationally, and access to worldwide customers that already trust the Amazon brand. But tethering your business to a single digital marketplace comes with risks.
Recently, Amazon ousted a number of merchants without warning, forcing many merchants to grapple with the fallout of their single-channel strategy. There are other detractors to Amazon that should also be weighed carefully, but the ultimate takeaway to merchants is this: Amazon is out to build their own bottom line, and if your business no longer factors into their plan, you may find yourself without access to this prime channel anymore. With Shopify or Shopify Plus, merchants own their channel and the property they sell through.
There are challenges to this approach as well, but they mostly center on driving traffic to your site. It will take more time and investment to build your audience, but the trade-off here is that this channel is yours. Shopify never removes sellers from their e-commerce platform without very good reason, like repeated copyright infringement, which requires multiple filed complaints and reviews by Shopify before removal. Once you build your traffic and sales, it's all yours.
Is Shopify versus Amazon right for your business? All told, there are obvious advantages and disadvantages to both Shopify and Amazon. If you decide to sell through Amazon, then you can leverage the platform's huge, existing Amazon audience without needing to take on much small business marketing yourself. Plus, Amazon can handle a lot of back-end heavy lifting, like storing your inventory and fulfilling and shipping orders. It's also easy to set up an Amazon page, and thanks to that massive traffic, you can start selling your products quickly. On the downside, Amazon's fees are difficult to track, and they can add up quickly. You'll also need to abide by Amazon's selling policies, which include restrictions on selling certain items.
With Shopify, you have full ownership over your online store, including its branding, layout, and customer experience. Their fees are transparent, too, and setting up and customizing your store is simple and intuitive. But to reap the benefits of your store, you'll need to dedicate time and effort to manage all aspects of your store, including the fulfillment process and customer service. You'll also need to build and drive traffic through your own marketing efforts, though you won't need to compete with Amazon's saturated ecosystem by lowering your prices more than you're comfortable with.
Shopify is just selling on your own site. It's a software tool, basically just a platform for you to sell products on your own website. So when you're talking about selling on Shopify, you're really just talking about selling on your own website, versus Amazon is you're selling on Amazon's website. So it's like, should you sell on your own website or should you sell on Amazon's website? That's really what we're talking about.
Usually, when we're focused on Amazon, we're using what's called fulfillment by Amazon, which is Amazon's actually handling all the shipping and everything for you. Whereas if you're selling on Shopify, you're usually having a third-party person, not Amazon, but somebody else that owns a bunch of warehouses, and they're doing the fulfillment for you.
Please share the video, subscribe to our channel,